Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAPL Apple. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. And also from a disclosure standpoint, I am long Apple in my retirement accounts. So just keep that in mind as I go through the analysis here. Now, I did this previously, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And both pertain very directly into today's analysis. First part is up here at 508. Talked about that red line time and time again as being an area of resistance. And you can see that this morning, price actually did get the gap up above it. But like previous times, right there, you can see the price slightly got above it. It was like somebody flipped the switch. The momentum just disappeared. And in this situation, a very nasty move all the way down there. Now, to give credit's due, Apple did fight back and, got a little miniature of uptrend right here. But as of now, yeah, things are looking like this is going to need to be a bit more of a consolidation here. So I don't say any of that in a negative sense. I mean, you got to keep things in perspective. This thing just basically went up $80 in a couple week period. So yeah, having the price go sideways does not mean that all of a sudden something is destroyed or ruined. It just means that it's looking like the price is going to need to consolidate out here and do a little bit more, kind of just breathing and taking a rest. But what I do want to do is now adjust this area of support down here, because from a trading standpoint, that 495.50 mark, or excuse me, 496 is a very interesting level, and no such thing as a guarantee. But my point here is that if the price were to come down to that area, behave in that manner, and then break to the downside, that could very well create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. Again, not a guarantee, but something to just keep an eye on, moving forward. As far as if the price does return back to the upside, well then yes, 508 is going to be one of those levels that just that many more people are now watching, giving there is officially another data point up around that area where the price got there and failed. So again, not a guarantee, but valid to think that if the price gets up there and then breaks up through it, that could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. So we'll see what happens with it moving forward, but as of right now, those are going to be the main technical levels to watch. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.